Can you really make serious money with YouGov? In today's video, we're going to be finding out exactly what YouGov is, how you can actually make money with it, whether it is worth your time actually joining YouGov. So YouGov, what is YouGov? What's it all about? And is it going to be worth your time? Well, as you can see here, YouGov, I'm on the UK version of YouGov. Now, it is available in lots of other different countries, Australia, Taiwan, Singapore, New Zealand, I think, USA, and various others as well. And you can easily find out which country they're in by just literally coming to the YouGov website and clicking on the sign up button here. You also want to sign up as a member because you want to join others that are going to be sharing their opinion. So all the actual surveys you take and the information you give is given anonymously. So they don't know it's actually coming from you. But as you can see, anybody can actually go onto the YouGov website and go and get the data that they are obviously asking about. So, and this could be anything from economy, business, entertainment, arts, culture, health and science, international politics, current affairs, retail and consumer, society, sport, technology, travel and transport. So loads of different things that they cover. Now, if we scroll down on the website, this is obviously a few things that they've discovered that they've actually gone over recently. Okay, which are the most popular UK retailers? Okay, and it says obviously Lego are 81% and they are number one, and you can obviously get the full list inside. Britain's mood can be measured weekly. Okay, so at the moment we've got 49% of people are happy and 38% of people are stressed. So these are the sort of questions that you're going to be asked, also about celebrities, that sort of thing. And also, would you support or oppose Britain supplying Ukraine with fighter jets? Some serious questions there as well, and also some obviously not so serious ones. And what you're not going to get with YouGov is you're not going to get surveys that everybody else is getting on all other survey sites. This is specific to YouGov. So that's what I like about it. It is literally targeted, and you don't actually get these surveys anywhere else, and they're normally up to date, what's in the news. And this daily question here, should more homes be built on Greenbelt? Now, that was a question that I've answered actually today in my latest survey, and we'll go into the back end and show you exactly how much you're going to earn, how it works, and how much you could possibly earn with YouGov very, very shortly. If you find this content really useful, then don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. That'll help us in the algorithms with the channel, and obviously more people will be able to see this video. And we'll also find out whether it is the best survey app ever. So if you wanted to head over to Trustpilot, you can go and do that. It's a verified company, which is great. They've done proof of identity, registered domain name and a bank account. And they've also claimed their profile as well, which is all good stuff. So now let's go into the back of YouGov and dive a little bit deeper and find out exactly how to do the surveys, and obviously how much you get paid and when you're going to get paid. Okay, so I've come into my account on YouGov, and as you can see, I've earned 550 points so far. And it says I've got 4,450 points to go. So you have to get to 5,000 points before you can actually get paid out. Normally, you're getting, what I tend to be getting at the moment, and I'll show you this in a minute, is about 50 points per survey. In order to get your surveys, if there is a survey available, you come on the website, it will say here there is a survey available. Like I say, I've only just taken one today. What it also says here, obviously, is about tasks and building your profile. Now, this is quite good, and I've only been in here a few days, and we'll go through exactly what I've taken, the surveys I've taken in that time. But the more you answer questions here and build your profile, then the more surveys you would probably get. You will get notified via email about your surveys, and then you can just click on the survey there and take the survey directly on your phone if you wanted to. There is also an app that you can download as well to make it even easier and even faster. And like I say, the one thing I do like, again, about YouGov is when you actually get a survey through, as long as you act pretty quickly, because obviously there are only a limited amount of people that they're going to want to take this survey probably. But if you act quite quickly, and so far I've been accepted for every single survey that's come through, and I've gone and done the survey right to the very end and actually earned the 50 points, and sometimes I've actually got 100 points as well. That is a great thing, because a lot of these survey sites, it tells you there's a survey. By the time you click through and you spend about 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden it says no, you're not registered for the survey, and you end up getting a couple of points or a couple of coins or whatever they use on the other survey sites. Well, with YouGov, that is totally different. Like I say, they are genuine surveys that people obviously want to know now. So people want to take them, and they want to be able to pay you out. So if I go to my account history, and as you can see here today, you earned 50 points for a YouGov poll. Yesterday, I got a survey again, which was on the 16th of May. And then I've had one on the 12th of May and the 11th of May and the 5th and the 4th and the 4th, which is when I actually registered for the site. So we are only literally 13 days, so 2 weeks into my account, and I've already earned over 500 points. Now, if you work that out, as you've got to obviously hit the 5,000 points, if these surveys keep coming at the same rate and I get the same amount of points, then you should be able to hit a payout roughly about 20 weeks. What can you actually withdraw when you hit that 5,000 points? So let's go and show you. So if we want to see exactly what the 5,000 points are worth, then just scroll down on your main account here. And as you can see, it says rewards. Okay, so if we click on all rewards, it says here £50. So I will actually get £50 when I reach the 5,000 points. So in a lot of these sites, again, they do the 5,000 points, and when you reach 5,000 points, you actually get $5 or £5 or something like that. You're actually getting £50. So although it's going to take you possibly 20 weeks, and if they keep coming at the same rate, but they could increase. There could be more, or they could be worth more money, or whatever. So I shall continue obviously doing this, and then do another updated video once I actually hit the 5,000 points. Now, you've also got, obviously, it says here bank transfer, which is what I would probably be doing. But you've also got, and this will vary from country to country, the same as the amount of surveys you may get, right, vary country to country, and the amount of points you may be getting as well. But you can also do other things as well. Certainly in the UK, we've got Asda gift cards, and Adidas, Airbnb gift cards, Amazon, Deliveroo, Foot Locker. There's loads here, as you can see. There are loads of different options that you can actually get in the UK, which is fantastic. But again, the one that most people are going to want is this cash reward. Now, the thing is, like I say, with all these survey sites, is you've got to treat them as just extra cash, really. You're never, ever going to be able to earn a full living doing these surveys. That is a way to actually look at it, is to look at it as extra cash. And if you can get 50 quid, 100 quid a year out of these, just for taking a little bit of time on your mobile, you'd probably be sitting just scrolling the internet or whatever anyway, then just think about what you could do with that extra 100 quid come Christmas, or for someone's birthday, or maybe to go out for a nice meal with your partner. And that's the way to look at it. And of course, there are other sites you could join as well. So you could do 3 or 4 different sites and earn obviously more cash that way. If you're in the UK or any other country in the world, just check it out. It may be available in your country. It's available in quite a few countries, but not every country. But check it out and see how you get on with it. If you've already been using YouGov, let us know in the comments below how you've been getting on as well. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.